Hello everyone. Today already go make together very Egyptian recipe. This is already bطاطس, potatoes with beef. I go make it today Tagen. But also if in home you not have a Tagen, you also can use oven pan. This is also work and the same. Also because we not take much time in the video, we go see what we need. We start to make it together. Okay, I have already half kilo beef and I have half kilo potatoes. I have already 250 gram onion, 1 paprika, 250 gram tomato, and also I have here 2 big spoon, tablespoon. This is tomato puree. The Egyptian people say salsa, but whatever it is, like you see, I have here already 5 pieces garlic and the spices. Also, if in your home you not have this all spices, also it's okay. But if you have it, this is make the taste more better. But it's okay. You need to have 2 bay leaf, and you need to have 2 cardamom, and you need to have with teaspoon half spoon curcum, and here have half a spoon black pepper, and here have 1 spoon salt, but the salt like you like, and here half a spoon nutmeg, half a spoon chili, 1 spoon paprika, maybe make it like that because you see it, 1 spoon paprika, and 1 spoon coriander powder. Okay, you need to have also butter. If you not have a butter, you can make it with oil, but the original recipe with butter. And also Tagen. If you not have a Tagen, you can use the oven pan. This is you use it for a cake. This is also work. Okay, I go already cut everything, and I show you how I cut this, and after that we can start together. I come back for you. Okay, I already cut everything now. I already cut the potatoes slice, but not thin. This is like you see. And already I cut also the meat. This is like square like that. And also the garlic slice. Okay, and this is the paprika, and this already you can see how I cut the onion. This 2 tomato, we go already blend this inside here, yeah. But before this all, I already inside the Tagen I did 3 big spoon butter inside, because already I make it very hot, because I do the meat inside, and because I like the meat keep the water inside, not go out like that. You need to make the fire high and really this hot, and you start do the meat 1 by 1, yeah, like that. Not do all in one time, because if you do it all in one time, you make the butter already not hot anymore. like you see. Not leave it already. Go not hot. Wait. I already go make this all recipe inside the Tagen. I not use anything. I already do the rest of meat inside, yeah, and I already fries it, and after that I show you how this look and come back for you. Okay, you can see now how the meat look. This is look like this. And now we start make it in very low fire and do inside the celery and this two. Before we do this two inside, we need first to broken this like that. If you not can make it with your hand, you can with anything you can open it like that and do it inside. Start with this. We take also the bottom and do it like that. I already make the fire low and I go already cover it only for 5 minutes. After that we start to go inside with the onion and the paprika and the garlic, only for 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Yes, start. I smell inside everything I did. Okay, after 5 minutes I come back for you. Okay, after the 5 minutes we start do the onion and the paprika inside. Like this. See, start with the color. You change it to everything like you see. I go already bake this together. Very nice. And also I do the garlic in. And also I go already cut the tomato, already make it juice in the blender. Yeah. And after that I come back for you after I finish bake everything I did here, because I show you after this done how this look. Okay, after 10 minutes this is look like that. See? And start to do now all our spices inside. Start to do everything. salsa. Yeah, this is the tomato puree, also inside. We start to take also potatoes in slowly, and we start mix it together like this. And already we mix it with everything like I do. Mix it nice. Just one start, make it open and start. This is the tomato. I already mix it in a blender. I do a little bit water in it. And do it in. We'll do a little bit water, more water. We mix it nice. But when you already mix everything, be careful because not broken the potatoes inside. Maybe little more water. You see, this is need to be like that. You see. Need to be like this, and we already make all the potatoes inside like that. And I leave it 15 minutes. I leave it 15 minutes in a fire. In the time I leave it here, I start to make my oven hot in 220 degrees, and after that I take it, I do it down for something like 1 hour. But this dish, how you eat it, if you not know, yeah, this is you can make next this one Egyptian rice. If you not know how you make the Egyptian rice, I leave for you up here the link. And also you can eat it with Egyptian bread. Also, if you like to eat it with Egyptian bread, I also make video before how you make it. If you not know, also I leave for you the link here. And after 15 minutes, I come back for you. Yes, after 15 minutes, this is look like that. Okay, and now already my oven hot. I start take it, I close here, we don't need it anymore. We do it in the oven without any lid up. I do it inside for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I back for you. Okay, this is after 1 hour now, but also this about your oven. This is can be take half hour, can take 45 minutes, but I think take 45 minutes. And the same recipe, if you not like do with meat and also like to do with the chicken, you can do with the chicken. But if you do with the chicken, this is take less time in the oven. Now we already go see what we get. Oh, this looks too good. This is after 1 hour. I hope you like this recipe. Believe me, this tastes very nice. Yeah, and thank you because you watch my video, and please not support my channel with subscribe and like, and not forget the bell. And I see you next dish. Bye bye.